Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name is Al Weidman and I'm going to be giving you a tour of our new 2023 28-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. Brought this boat in, light blue hull sides, white motor, blue under the hardtop. Does have a cockpit shade and a radar. We'll go up inside and we will take a look. As we come into 28, you'll see the aft boarding door with a freshwater shower, the aft fold-up seat, the white 300s, live well, side door with the handrail where the dive ladder goes in there, fish boxes in the floor. Does have the flip seat with the table aft. It does have the refrigerator with a seat with a little ice box or storage under it, some cup holders, a sink. You'll see the Helm. It's a deluxe electronics package, glove box, recessed electronics, VHF, 12-inch Simrad, JL audio. This is a joystick boat. This does have the new active trim on the Helm. Forward, this boat does have the filler with a table under it for entertaining up forward. The head, green head with a macerator, with a sink. Blue under the hardtop to match the hull. Boat is here in Ocean View. Please call, email. Be glad to show you this boat anytime you would like. Thank you.